In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze a photo with Perplexity on iPhone. Whether you want quick facts about something you've snapped or a deeper explanation of what's in an image, this simple workflow will have you up and running in seconds. Start by opening the Perplexity app on your iPhone. You'll see the text box at the bottom of the screen where you normally type a question. Inside that text field, look for the small plus icon. Tap that plus, and a few attachment options will appear. Choose Image. If it's your first time, iOS may ask for permission to access your photos or camera. Go ahead and grant the access you're comfortable with so Perplexity can use your image. Now decide whether to use a picture you already have or to take a new one. To pick an existing photo, browse your photos library and tap the image you want. To capture something on the spot, switch to the camera, frame your subject, and take the shot. After you select or capture the image, you'll be taken back to the chat and the photo will appear right inside the input area above the keyboard. This is your chance to make sure it's the right image and that it's clear and readable. You can send the image by itself, or you can add a short prompt to guide the analysis. A helpful prompt might be something like, identify this plant, explain the chart in simple terms, or extract the text and summarize it. The more specific your question, the more focused the response will be. Keep it concise and mention any details you care about, like brand, model, or time period, if that's relevant to the image. When you're ready, tap the blue arrow or the submit button to send the photo for analysis. Perplexity will process the image and generate a response based on what it sees and what you asked. Give it a moment, especially on slower connections. If the result isn't quite what you expected, try refining your prompt or using a clearer photo with good lighting and fewer obstructions. That's all it takes. Open Perplexity, add an image, optionally include a prompt, and submit. With this simple flow, you can turn any picture into useful insights in just a few taps.